At the very least, we had Megan out there earlier, and she said the cloud cover helped just a little bit.
It did, yeah, and the cloud cover is already thinning out, unfortunately, but it does make a lot of difference when you're in the shade versus directly in the sun. So definitely make sure to find that shade if you are heading out to Dollar Day, and make sure to hydrate too. I know we say it over and over again, but it's just so important, especially when we have heat alerts like this one. We do have an excessive heat warning, and we talked about this. It was in place yesterday. It'll be in place today. It does include all of North Texas and a few surrounding areas. This extends into Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and into Central Texas. This is for heat index values between 105 to 114. It's in place until tonight at 9. I am expecting our heat alerts to continue into tomorrow. The National Weather Service will announce that at some point this afternoon. Okay, so we do have that cloud cover overhead. Again, it's going to thin out for the afternoon, so keep that in mind. Don't count on the cloud cover. 91 degrees right now in Denton, but it actually feels like 103. In downtown Dallas, we still see a little bit of that cloud cover. 87 degrees at DFW, but it feels like 96. That heat index will likely be in the triple digits here within the next hour or two. The wind stays south at 10 to 20 miles per hour, and that south wind is helping keep some of this heat in place across North Texas. Today, like that cloud cover is already thinning out, I am expecting those temperatures to climb rather quickly. 98 degrees by 1, about 103, close to 3 in the afternoon, 104 degrees around 5. Now yesterday, hottest day of the year so far with a high of 105 at DFW Airport. I think we get very close to it today. We'll likely add our 8th triple-digit heat day of the year at DFW. Today, 106 expected in Fort Worth, 104 in Dallas, about 105 in Denton, 103 in McKinney. Just about anywhere you look, you're going to see the triple digits on our charts for this afternoon. Some of our western locations, anywhere from Wise, Parker County to the west, I'm expecting temperatures to be closer to 105, 106, even up to 108. Look at Graham for this afternoon. That's where the air is slightly drier, but it doesn't matter because the heat index will still be close to about 110 anywhere you look. West of the Metroplex and in the Metroplex close to about 112, 113, up to 114. That's why that excessive heat warning is in place. We also have an elevated fire danger. This does include our western counties, pretty much west of the I-35 corridor counties, western Tarrant County into Parker, Palo Pinto County, Wise County as well. And this is because of the triple digits. So we have that high heat in place. We have dry fuels in place. We still have some very dry vegetation and our winds that are out of the south, pretty breezy at times. We are expecting any fire that does start to spread quickly. So avoid any outdoor burning. Let's just avoid that altogether for today and tomorrow. The high heat continues Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all triple digits. The heat index close to about 110 for Friday, Saturday. Small break on Sunday before the triple digits return early next week. That small break happens for a couple of reasons, so let's talk about that. That ridge of high pressure that's responsible for the heat, that sits over West Texas right now, and because of where it's sitting, it puts us in a northwest flow, so any storms that develop in portions of the Panhandle get pushed into North Texas. That's why we saw rain this morning. It's likely why we'll see a few storms around the Red River tomorrow morning, and why we also see that potential for rain very early on Sunday. So on Sunday, we see this ridge scoot off towards the west just a tad. It's going to allow us to see a very weak front approach the Red River, and that could bring us some rain. Again, early Sunday, it's not going to be a lot. It's only about 20% coverage, but it does help keep some cloud cover in the area and in turn keeps us under the triple digit mark. But that's only for Sunday. Triple digits back through next week. We'll be back.